My family and I visited Fukushima Prefecture recently. Fukushima Prefecture is located in south of Tohoku region facing the Pacific Ocean. We took a hot spring, took a walk in a clean air of the countryside, and ate delicious food from Fukushima. The countryside was very relaxing, and the food was very delicious. Fukushima Prefecture, which I visit this time, is a prefecture that suffered from the Great East Japan earthquake, so I was afraid about it. I have a brother who lives in Fukushima Prefecture. So watch this video and join us for a relaxing trip in the countryside. Good morning! 仕事はちょっと見えてるよ。いいの？いいの？仕事はちょっと見えてるよ。My daughter's favorite stuffed animal is her. This is Tokyo Station. There are bento shops located inside Tokyo Station, offering more than 200 types of bento. Whenever we take a Shinkansen, we always buy an Ekiben first. Hello Kitty だ。I choose oyster rice from my hometown, Miyagi Prefecture. Now we are leaving. We are getting on Shinkansen. かまぼこのキティちゃんでしょ。ハンバーグ。とちゃんいただきます。いただきます。いただきます。かまぼこいらない？キティちゃんの可愛いよ。When we are the Shinkansen, we enjoy the scenery from the window and the food. Beef tendering lunchbox to the stream. すごいエキサイティング。紐を引いてください。The steam. Waiting was 7 minutes. This is Miyagi Prefecture. Kaki meshi. This is bento. Oak-stand bento box. This is a cute bento. Eat it with a bit of salt. Ready to eat. Ta-da! Delicious. Very hot. Heated lunchbox. Oyster rice lunchbox. Here's what makes it warm. Took less than 2 hours from Tokyo to Fukushima for transportation. This is a scene of the separation of the Shinkansen. They are separated. There was a huge waraji in the station. Fukushima Prefecture is famous for its lightweight Japanese sandal made of straw festival. Waraji are a type of traditional footwear. This is a mikoshi. We went to the souvenir corner. You can find a variety of Fukushima's specialties. これ美味しいよ。これ。でももっとこっちの方が美味しい。かわいい。本当だ、かわいいね。It's so cute. Unfortunately, it was raining. My husband was working in Fukushima that day. We stayed at a hotel in front of station. うわ、危ないよ。気をつけてよ。It is a standard business hotel. Since it is close to the station, it is a hotel used by businessmen on business trips. お布団その中に入るね、これの中。Are there any difference between the hotels in your country? I'm very curious about hotels in other countries. Please let me know in the comment section. ねえねえ。おやすみ。気持ちいい。気持ちいい。いいね。ナイスシーン。ここだよ。モーニングシーン。Good morning. おはようございます。This is a lounge. There's coffee and tea service. 何？お父ちゃんここにいるよ。はいはい。これ綺麗だね。Now we are off explore the city. 何これわらじ？ちょっと押してみよう。わらじ温度。 There were unique scenes to the countryside. There was a magic show going on.
I need somebody, not just anybody. You know I need someone.
A mountain was being held around the station. They had my favorite food, roast tsukudani and miso shiso rolls. We also visit a very popular dumpling shop in Fukushima Prefecture.
パパのはいこれ
ありがとう。
もうもらっちゃったしボールみたい
We arrived at the Japanese hotel, Ryokan. My daughter and husband were very excited, and of course me.
Now
なんでここ一人寝るの? Now I'm going to go to the hot spring for the first purpose. Good night. I ran out of charge, so I couldn't film the food and the other activities. But here is the first day. I hope this video will make you feel like traveling with us. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I would like to hear what you think of this video, what you like about it, and how it's different from your country in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Next video is the day after the Fukushima trip. Look forward to the next video. See you soon. またね。バイバイ。